Hello, is a quick review of these Scotch Brite stainless steel scrubbers, and these are great. We use these to clean the stainless steel, and they're just nice and powerful and really get off a lot of sticky junk. So you could have this pan completely coated with stuck on burnt whatever. Let's say, you were frying something in there and you had chicken or something that burnt. These work wonders, much better than a typical sponge. So you just would wet the surface and clean away. Of course, they are round. After a while, they do kind of get a little bit deformed. This is one here. Has some junk on it, but it does last for several cleanings. I would say if you're going to use it daily to scrub, at least a good week or two, couple weeks at a time before they kind of just get gnarly, and you'll just go ahead and use another one. But they work great. This is something I wish I discovered a long time ago for stainless steel to keep everything clean and looking great.